Hey everybody, thanks for visiting us here at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Friday evening into the weekend forecast update. And for the first time in a while here, we will have a dry weekend. Won't have to worry about any heavy rain, any kind of severe weather as we roll through your Easter weekend here. Very nice temperatures as well. Should start out your Saturday. It is going to be pretty cold, and then once we go through the afternoon, we will see those temperatures in the low to mid 70s. So just a really comfortable Saturday for us, and looking basically at the same thing on Sunday. Just a little bit warmer. We'll actually see quite a few locations into the low 80s. So any outdoor festivities you may have, some of the outdoor egg hunts this weekend, either Saturday or Sunday, we are in great shape for both of those. Let's go ahead and show you what's been happening across the region again today. We did have a little cloud cover, just a little bit of rain out there as well. You can still see we're dealing with some of the cloud cover across the region, but the story so far for your Friday has been the breezy northwest wind, still at about 20 miles per hour in Texarkana and close to 20 in Shreveport. We've had those wind gusts over 30 miles per hour. That's pushing a lot of dry air into the region, but we also did see a few pop-up showers and storms this afternoon, so we did have quite a few small hail reports. Pea size are smaller just because of some of that colder air, and you see the showers that we do have out there at the moment. It's to be Natchitoches Parish and moving to the south, so they should be out of here by the time we get into the evening commute here in most locations. Your temperatures a little bit cooler today, most of us in the low to mid 60s. Did have some rain in Manny there that did cool us down to about 59 degrees, and there's that wind at about 15 to 20 miles per hour here at the moment. Winds will gradually start to come down after sunset tonight, probably 10 to 15 miles per hour between sunset and midnight. Once we get past midnight, dropping into the 5 mile per hour range. So you can see the big storm system that moved through here yesterday. We've got high pressure building in behind that, and just the winds flowing from the high to low there behind those systems, creating those breezy conditions that we do have in place today. Pretty nasty storm system. We've had tornado watches up and down the coast over there. Before the Arklatex, you can see on the backside of this low, we are pulling that cool, dry air in throughout the day today, and that's what is going to settle in this weekend. And with it being now moving into late April, once you get the sun out there throughout a day like that, it doesn't take much to warm us up. So that's why we're looking at the pleasant conditions as we go through the weekend. Your lows tonight, pretty chilly, 43 in Texarkana, 45 for Shreveport, some low 40s north of I-30. So it will be a chilly start to your Saturday morning. Again, the cloud cover is out of here, so once we start out the day on Saturday, looking pretty nice for us. We're looking at that all-day sunshine throughout the day, and your afternoon highs in the low to mid 70s. For Easter, I'm going mostly sunny for us. You see plenty of sun through the first half of the day. Returning south wind, that will increase our humidity and some of our dew point temperatures out there, so that will likely result in a few more clouds. So perhaps partly cloudy late Sunday into Monday. We do have some additional rain on the way late next week. I'll show you everything through Wednesday. Again, that's some of the rain that's already occurring or expected to occur today. That's where you're getting those light totals from, as we will likely be dry most areas Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and likely into Tuesday as well. May see some rain occur in the northern Arklatex perhaps as soon as late Tuesday, but looks like a majority of the rain next week will be making its way in Wednesday, Thursday, and kind of tapering off Friday. Once again, we'll be on the lookout here for some heavy rain. You see Futurecast as of right now has a lot of 1 to 2 inch totals, but as we see, we get closer to these events, sometimes those rain totals go up, so we'll keep you posted on that through the week. The last thing we need, of course, is any more heavy rainfall here. Your lows tonight, again, 45, clearing and chilly for us, and 7-day forecast here will show you pretty nice temperatures, not only through the weekend, but through next week as well, as we'll be in the 70s and 80s. Overnight lows in the 50s and 60s. As of right now, just given the time of year, there's nothing that jumps out that says we're going to see any kind of significant severe weather, but there is the possibility we will see maybe some low-end severe weather threat develop either late Wednesday or Thursday, the way it looks now. So we'll keep you up to date with that and any potential heavy rain threat that may develop over the next week.